Hi, yeah, I'm Mark from CopilotKit. A little bit about me. Yes, I'm lead of partnerships and integrations at CopilotKit. If you're not familiar with CopilotKit, we're the front-end stack for AI agents, doing generative UI all the way to self-learning. The GitHub stars probably needs to be updated, but these are some of our weekly stats. And the main thing we do is connect agents and applications. So we've got open source SDKs for both CopilotKit and the HUI protocol, which is what connects your agentic front ends, which can be either React, Angular, Vue. I'll show Slack in just a moment, to whatever agentic backend you happen to be using. So let's see a quick demo. So this is kind of I call this like CopilotKit Classic demo. So this is just, we've got some basic generative UI in here. So this is all using A2UI to do some generative UI. You've got fixed schema, A2UI. And then we even have some demos with entirely free-form A2UI. So this one works a little bit differently every time, using a sandbox to create a calculator. Never really know what we're going to get, or if we're going to get anything at all. There we go. So this time it's decided I need metric shortcuts on my calculator. So that's just an example of generative UI. But we're rapidly expanding to new services. So here's, this is the first time I've ever run this prompt. This is a Slack channel. So I'm going to ask our Slack bot to introduce itself and create a card that I might use for hackathon voting. And we'll see what it comes up with. And it's being ornery. It looks like it's not responding today, but here's an example of some earlier responses that my colleague Sophia ran. So asking the bot to create a chart, as well as here it is creating an incident card, which generates a actual usable card inside Slack using A2UI. So I'll post these QR codes in just a moment, but here's getting started with Slack. We do also have a cookbook for using CopilotKit with Daytona. So this actually fire up a sandbox on Daytona and then render the UI in the browser using a front-end tool call. So yes, the prizes for best use of CopilotKit. There's $500 for the team and Meta Ray-Bans for every team member. And here are the QR codes. The quick start will also give you a license for CopilotKit Intelligence. That's a one-seat developer license that can be used indefinitely. And then those other two are if you decide to tackle A2UI or our new Channels SDK, there's a couple of guides there as well. I'll just leave those up for a moment. All right, that's my time. Thanks.